Hey guys, we're back with another vlog.
Yes, sir.
Yo,
what's up, everybody?
Yeah, he's back.
Yeah.
And we're at Walmart. That's what it's supposed to be. Yeah. We're at Walmart. Yeah, we're looking at stuff. Yo, there was like FNAF around here. There was like a Lego or something, so we're going over there now. Yo, okay, so over here they had a lot of FNAF.
Yeah.
But look, they have like Flush Trap, Lefty, Mango Freddy. Yeah, they had this stuff
this whole
too.
sister location set up here.
Yeah, and Turtle Shell.
Double barrel
so Will
shotgun.
has a shotgun here with the Nerf gun.
So
This is Nerf gun, this isn't real gun.
No, this is sick though.
Bro, they have Fortnite. Yo, they got the Yoshi.
Oh my god, look at this creepy
There we go.
thing.
So the reason why we were out was because we have now traveled to Will's cottage. And yeah, we're back at Will's cottage. You can see him right about there. There, yeah. So yeah. Okay, so we're doing loads to the cottage, and right now it's raining. I think there's gonna be a thunderstorm.
Hopefully not,
And
but looks like it.
yeah. So if there is, we're probably screwed. But yeah, we brought in the majority of it.
Yeah.
It's just like a few. It's there you go, sit bag, whatever, and yeah.
What the?
Jesus! This guy's
Bro, man.
chicken sandwich.
You got that?
Yeah. You see
Yeah.
why we aren't going swimming anymore? It's because every time we tried to at least like chill out, we're like dead.
That just shook the house, by the way, for people watching. Like, there's literal vibrations coming out of the ground.
Yo, it just started like pouring outside. We gotta close those doors. No doors, but the windows now. Whatever it is. We need to get out. We need to get out right now.
Did you get that one?
Close it! Quick. Yo, gotta close these. Go! Oh my gosh, it's getting stuck.
That's the worst. Oh my god. Hey, go. It's coming out.
Oh no!
What
No.
the heck?
Bruh. I thought that the rain would be gone by now. It's a lot worse. So right now it's hailing. We had to stay away from the windows because it's gonna break the windows if it gets big enough. It's getting really bad, and yeah, to make matters worse, there's like a hornet flying around. Oh crap! Ah! It's coming. Bro, there's another hornet here. What? Man. Okay. I think I'm satisfied with this place. Yo, what's up, guys? So it's been a few hours or something. I brought this, and Will brought the Golden Freddy.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyways, we just went for a swim, but now it just started to pour rain again, and there's lightning. Apparently, the storm's gonna go all night, so this may actually be a long vlog. I kid you not, it's been a few hours. It's like nearly midnight, and you know, it feels like 8 p.m. for me because you know, I'm so good used to this time zone. But anyways, this thunderstorm decides to just come back, and now now we can't go to sleep. Anyways, we set up this room. Green glow stick, red glow stick, like purple glow stick over there. There's Will's bed. We're playing Super Mario Bros. Wii. There's a blue glow stick, and yeah, Will's right there.
Bruh.
All right, but yeah, we're right now road 5. We're trying to do like 3, which I think we can do now. But like, yeah. Okay, you can't tell that we're here, but we are here. This is the outro. There has been no thunderstorm, and yeah, we're just too tired. We're going to bed. All right, good night.